731, 102891 west, clear signal to Napadogan, clear at Napadogan, mile 105, Napadogan Sub, north.
Hello and welcome to Kev's Railfanning. It's not 9:32 hours Atlantic time in Napadogan, New Brunswick on June 17, 2024. And CN B731 is on the approach to the east switch for the 8,000-foot CN Napadogan siding. 731 has 170 empty potash cars heading back to Saskatchewan, and they departed Moncton at not 6:35 hours. Typically, 731s are routed through the U.S. on their journey back west, and 731 had crossed under the St. Clair River and departed Port Huron, Michigan at 21:45 hours Eastern Time on June 18th. The cars were unloaded at Nutrien St. John shiploading facility and will be reloaded at one of their mines in Saskatchewan. As a note, loaded potash trains will typically come through northern Ontario. The contract track maintenance crew has just loaded a red crack cart that they had retrieved from the west end of the siding and were currently heading east to McGivney. The power for today's 731 is the same power that brought the last 730 loaded potash train to St. John. This was last Thursday, June 13th, and I had videoed this train at long length. Power is a CN 2891, 3921, an exCREX lease unit, 3179, 3310, and a rear-facing rear DPU 3058. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.